crystal ball gazing. So it is a divination of distant or future events, whatever the events are going to happen in the future, because at the end of the day, it is all about energy. So when I tarot is energy. Similarly, crystal ball gazing is also energy. मेरे को सामने जो मेरे इंसान बैठा है, उसकी एनर्जी में उस क्रिस्टल बॉल के अंदर मैं उस एनर्जी से रीड कर पा रही हूँ, देख पा रही हूँ कि क्या हो रहा है. नाउ जैसे मैंने कहा कि इसको हम स्क्राइंग भी कहते हैं. सो बहुत लोगों को ये लगता है कि क्या मैं crystal ball gazing कर सकती हूँ? Like I don't know tarot, I don't know, I have never been into any intuition work, I've never done meditation. So let me tell you this, anyone can do crystal ball gazing. Anyone who is sensitive to psychic reading, even if you are intuitive, even if you feel that you are into any kind of energy work, anyone who wishes to learn or wants to enhance their third eye chakra or wants to enhance their intuition or wants to practice crystal ball gazing, anyone can do it. Now, when I'm saying scrying क्या होता है? Scrying होता है कि when we start looking at different messages or visions over a different platforms, so that we are able to read about or know about or have a knowledge about the future events, that is known as scrying. So scrying की different methods होते हैं. कई लोग clouds में especially clouds में देखते हैं clouds का formation कैसा है. कई लोग moon में देखते हैं कि moon में आज मुझे angel दिख रहा है, moon में आज मुझे साईं बाबा जी दिख रहे हैं, moon में आज मुझे ये दिख रहा है. बहुत लोग अलग-अलग ways में करते हैं. कई लोग पानी के अंदर करते हैं, कई लोग टाइल्स के ऊपर करते हैं, कई लोग क्रिस्टल बॉल के ऊपर करते हैं. So there are different styles. Being has any one clair out of these 4 clairs or any 2 also. Now, if you can see things clearly, you are a clairvoyant. If you can hear things clearly, you're a clairaudient. If you can feel things, you're a clairsentience. If you can intuitively know things clearly, you're a claircognizant. Now, there are a lot of examples of crystal ball gazers, like John Dee, who consulted Queen Elizabeth, had told about about a lot of things about Queen Elizabeth. And in 1947, also G. Dixon told his friend in America that Gandhiji would be murdered by a gentleman in Delhi. So this is how the crystal ball gazers can see things by just looking into the crystal ball. So G. Dixon also had announced the death of American President John Kennedy in and this was published also in one of the leading magazines. So lot of people who have been crystal ball gazers, like हमारे India में तो we are tarot readers, angel card practitioners, and साथ में crystal ball gazers. But abroad, people are, if they are crystal ball gazers, then they are only crystal ball gazers. They are not into any other modality there. So लोगों ने बहुत सारी predictions करी हुई हैं लोगों को लेकर या the world around them को लेकर. Now, guidance for crystal ball gazing. The room temperature has to be very comfortable. Noise level बहुत कम होना चाहिए. सबसे बड़ा एक guidance है that crystal ball gazing कभी भी आप evening के time पे मत करो. Always try doing it in the morning time, early morning, so that your mind is relaxed. Lighting should also be less.